The bubbling pots and colorful cave formations recall the Rainbow Caverns Mine Train, which opened in 1956 at Disneyland, and was replaced by Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. It surely influenced Knott's Calico Mine Ride, which debuted in 1960. Bud Hurlbut developed and operated the original Calico Mine Ride. He didn't work directly for Knott's, but was an independent concessionaire. The arrangement was not unusual in the early days of theme parks. Today, Knott's and virtually all theme parks in North America wholly own and operate all of their attractions. Among the innovations Hurlbut and Knott's brought to parks was the hidden switchback queue. Approaching the Calico Mine Ride, guests typically do not see anybody waiting in line. That's because the queue is located behind the rockwork facade. In addition to keeping guests off of the midway and tricking them into thinking the wait is short, the queue acclimates them into the story by immersing them in the mine before they board the ride vehicles. Walt Disney was intrigued by the ride's queue, and his Imagineers subsequently incorporated the concept into attractions at Disneyland. By restoring the ride, Knott's is to be commended for recognizing and honoring its legacy. The Calico Mine Ride is, if you'll pardon the pun, a gem of an attraction. It now sparkles brightly for new generations to discover and for old fans to rediscover.